Okay, so it's been raining for like half the day, and I decided to come out here and harvest my carrots because I know the ground's going to be super soft to pull them out. Before, the ground was not soft at all, so I had a heck of a time pulling them out. Let's go ahead, take a closer look here. I got some carrots here. Beautiful. I knew it. I knew it. Little nanties in here. Look at that, y'all. So I got carrots all through here. It's time for me to pick them. And that is what I plan to do today. We still have tomatoes, big ones coming on here and there, but for the most part they're dying out over here. The paste ones are doing okay still. And this is the jungle, y'all. I still got celery, and I need to harvest some of that. Actually all of it, because I'm going to put it in my V8 juice. The garden right now is just kind of wild. I haven't been out here to tend. And, but yeah, we got peppers galore. And it's a really wet day, so I'm just gonna go ahead and harvest all those carrots. I even have some on the other side. So it's time. What else do we got over here? Some big old peppers. I think these are the Peter peppers. Some of them aren't. Yeah, so still got strawberries coming on over there. Super exciting. Amaranth. Just need to get in here when it's a little cooler out to rip everything out. The ducks are in here. They're doing a great job. I'm super excited about these carrots, guys. I love carrots. It's like one of my favorite vegetables next to a cucumber. They're little nanties. But for the most part, some of these are pretty big. And I don't know if I can get them out, because even though it's... There we go. Perfect. Let's see if I can set this up so you guys can watch me pick these carrots. Okay, so these are the carrots I got. It was starting to rain, so I couldn't videotape me picking all of them. I did pick this entire row, and this is what I got here. This is gonna be a great weight for Shed Wars. I had a hell of a time with these carrots, y'all. I really did. I don't even know what kind of carrots these are, because I really got so frustrated because they wouldn't sprout, that I put in, like, I don't know how many varieties. Some of these are Nantes, some of these are Danvers. They're smaller carrots, but I just couldn't get the ones that I bought from Johnny C's to sprout, which I was very upset with. Still got some on that side, and I still got most of this left. And I know the error of my ways, okay? And there was really nothing I could do about it. I wanted this to be neat and full of square footage, like beautiful little healthy carrots, but I couldn't even get them to sprout. So I just laid the seed down. And I probably should have taken some out. See, look how small some of these are. I should have probably pulled some of these. Here's a big one. Pull that out. Oh, I can't. It's stuck in there. Yeah, see? Bigger. It's like not the hugest carrot in the world or anything. But some of them were super small. And it's my fault because they're too close together. There's nothing I could do about that this year. Next year I'll probably have a better idea. I'll get better carrot seeds. I'll do something. I'll make sure that they aren't pelletized, because that's where my big issue is pelletized seeds. I'll probably never do that again. There's another one. That's a good one. Snacking carrot. You know, you can put these in roasts too. It'd be just as good. I'm going to use some of these for my V8 juice. I'm going to can some of the, not can them, but I'm going to put them in the freezer. But some of them were so small. And then look, I'm getting some of the big ones now, but they're covered in bugs. Let me see. There we go. Big fat one. There we go. And get some of these out before it's too late. I did everything I could to get these, so I'm not complaining. Not complaining one bit. I know how to grow carrots. It's, however, being successful at it is one thing. And, you know, you don't always do great at things. There's a carrot. It's in there. Let me see if I can get it out. Sometimes these are hard to get out. I'm doing this in the rain because the soil's usually softer in the rain. Oh, we got ducks up in here. This is hilarious. I got ducks in here with me while I'm picking these carrots. Some of these ain't even worth it. I don't even think I'm gonna use them for anything. I need to put that big carrot back in here though. The tops you can use. A lot of people eat the tops. You can use them as a pesto. I freaking love pesto. It's good. And yeah, and just see how they're just laying in here. They're doing okay. This wasn't like, oh, that one broke off. But this wasn't the best carrot crop I've ever had. I've had more where I've let them over winter better, you know. But this is good. It'll count as a weight for Shed Wars. My onions didn't do crap this year. So there's that. But look at all these. That's good. That's exciting. Carrots are fun. They're fun to pick out, you know, because you never know what you're gonna get really. And I know these are too close, but I had it, like I said, I had a heck of a time this year. So that's what I'm doing today, is picking all these carrots. We did tomato juice again, or tomato sauce last night. And so, yeah, it is that season, guys. Get out there and start canning. Winter's coming. I'm not really saying there's going to be a huge food shortage because I'm not into scaring people. However, I think it would be best if you start saving something aside. Start doing something. And starting a garden is a great way to start saving some food. Look at that. It's gonna be a tremendous wait for Shed Wars, and I'm super excited. Thanks you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we will see you all in the next video. Okay, sorry guys, there's so much going on in this kitchen. We're doing sauce and everything else. This is my carrots, and we're at 10 pounds, 16 ounces. Got 10 pounds of carrots. And I haven't even done the other side, so.